Let's start up on physics here again. Sorry about the interruption there. I got a call there early on. But anyway, this is what we're looking at right now. So we can now have an object that is actually being pulled by a force that is acting at a certain angle. Now, even if it is acting at a certain angle, the object can still basically move in a horizontal line. Now, because it can move in a horizontal line, we now need to adapt our formula where originally the formula was work done equals force times distance, but we are now looking at an adaptation of the formula where we have work done is the force that is acting in the x direction times by the distance. And when I mean the force is acting in the x direction, I'm looking at the force that basically is a component that is basically acting this way. So what I mean by that is that this force here, the force acting at a certain angle, can be broken down into the fx component and also the fy component. Now, because we are only looking at the object in the horizontal direction, we are purely only interested in the fx force. So it's the fx force that we need to basically look at in order to apply to the formula work done equals force times distance. So this is just a repeat of what I just said here earlier on, where the force F can be broken down into fx and fy. But because the object is moving in a horizontal direction, we only basically look at the fx component, the force, fx force component. Now, moving along here, we can see from here, this is exactly what I mean here, where the force here, F, is at an angle theta to the horizontal, can be broken into fx and fy. Now, if we were to produce a right angle triangle like this, we can quite easily see, because this is a right angle here, really, by using trigonometry, we can say fx is equal to f cosine theta. So this is going to be really your f cosine angle theta, because we've actually produced a right angle here. Now, obviously, now by looking at the fy, essentially that will be f sine theta. But purely, like I said, we're only interested in the x direction. Now, by applying the formula work done equals force times distance, we've now changed the formula slightly.